What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Emotional, and guess what?
I'm back, and I'm better than ever. Got a neck.
And we are back at it for another reaction video. This is KRIS Dayanti Novia Bachmid, and this is Breathless live session. So we about to go ahead and dive straight into it. Like, comment, subscribe, baby. Let's vibe. Let's get the button, or hit the button.
Breathless, everybody. Feels like only yesterday.
I'm sorry. I'm nerding out real quick. Hold on. I need to check something. Wait.
Breathless, everybody.
Okay, I knew I heard the whoo, whoo. Like I thought I was tripping. I'm like, okay.
Feels like only yesterday. Desperate for love to come take me away from here. Living on dreams, empty inside. Unlocking love under gray skies. I wait for you. Thought that I wait forever in the dark, only weather. Thought that I wait forever right through. Under umbrella in the pouring rain, you would lift me up before I even knew your name. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't try to take my breath away. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't try to take my breath away. Under umbrella in the pouring rain, you give me a kiss that took my breath away.
I'm trying to see something real quick. Hold on.
My breath away. Don't try to take my breath away. Under umbrella in the pouring rain.
Okay, so they're the higher parts of the harmony, and then she's that middle part. Okay, the lower part.
You give me a kiss that took my breath away. And you.
Okay, guitar.
And the pen is gone. When I'm in your eyes, you are all that I want to do. Thought that I wait forever in the dark and lonely weather. Thought that I wait forever right through. It's the way you take.
Now I really did like the how KRIS, I'm assuming that's KRIS, yeah. I'm assuming this is KRIS, and how like she went up while Novia kind of stayed low on the harmony.
I wait forever right through. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't try to take my breath away. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away.
Don't stop now. Hold on. Don't stop. I like that higher note. Who was that? I'm assuming that was one of the background singers. I like that higher key you was singing in. That added some flavor to it. I like that. Don't stop.
Take my breath away.
Selfish.
It's the way you take my breath away. It's
Yeah.
the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't try to take my breath away. I won't let go. I won't let go. I won't let go of your love. I won't let go. I won't let go. I won't let go of your love. Every day, every night, into rain or sunshine, as long as I'm alive, I got you.
Come on,
When
Novia.
the rain is coming down and you feel all alone, I'll be the umbrella up above.
Come on, drums.
Every night, in the rain or sunshine, as long as I'm alive, I got you. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't you let it take my breath away. It's the way you take my breath away. It's the way you make me love today. You take my breath away. Don't you let it take my breath away. I won't let go. I won't let go.
Yeah. Okay, keys. Come on, ma'am. Let's go. I'm not gonna fake it. I gotta like the vid real quick. Cause like the thing about it was I love the harmonies. Like, let me see. Here. Like, I love that harmony right there that they did. Like, they sound really good. All four of them sound really, really good together. And there was one harmony that I pointed out. Let me find it. No, it was further back. No, that's not it. Nope. Yeah, there it goes. Here. Like, I really like that higher key, the soprano one. I really like that soprano part of the harmony because it was like, it comes in, it's like, damn, when I take my breath away. I know I'm flat Like, I know I'm flat as a piece of paper, but like, dog, like that harmony note, like that was really clean. And then it's like, you didn't, even though I would have liked to hear it a little longer, but it's like it was one of them ones that's kind of like, leave them stinkers wanting more. You know what I'm saying? Like, it was a really nice touch. It was kind of like a nice piece of jewelry. You didn't want to have too much jewelry because then you look tacky and stank and crazy. You know what I'm saying? But like, I really liked what they did with this one. This one was really, really clean. I really, really like this. But I'm thinking about it here though. PC's the baby, lay out.